Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Roblox mouse cursor not showing or invisible. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so the first thing what you want to do is go ahead and unplug your mouse and then re-plug it in. Now the second thing what you want to do is just go ahead and restart your Roblox game. The third fix is to do a search for Roblox. And now right click on Roblox app and then click into settings. Now you should be taken to Roblox settings. Alright, now what we want to do once we're inside here is scroll down and go ahead and click on the repair button from reset. If that still doesn't work, we want to go ahead and click on, if this app still isn't working right, reset it. So go ahead and click on reset and then wait a few moments for that to do its thing to see if you've got your mouse cursor working again. Alright, for the last and final step, we want to go ahead and uninstall this app. So go ahead and click on the uninstall button, then go to your Microsoft Store or wherever you downloaded Roblox and re-download it and install it. Let me know in the comments below which step worked for you guys.